What's the deal, everybody? It's your boy Backfire 313, also known as Backfire Media, and today in this video we're going to be doing a Krump combination follow along video. That was a lot to say, jeez. So all it is, I need you to follow along. Simple steps. I'm gonna break it down when I do it, but first I'm gonna show you the combination.
Banger. I waste no time to get
Take a loop. 7, here we go. Move. Blah. Are we still recording? So, I want you guys for this first count for 1 and so which is 1 and okay? So that first chest hit, it should kind of pull, drag your body, okay? So I'm gonna do it this way, that way, so you can get a different angle of a look. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and What helps with this visual motion that you guys are seeing is I'm not doing it from a straight up standpoint. I kind of groove into it here. So start with bending your knees. You should feel the power rise up into the upper abdominal, and then boom. So then you want to catch yourself with your 2 feet, 2 steps. Here we go. So boom, step, step. Don't gotta be perfect, don't gotta be pretty, but that's the point. Krump is not always pretty, it's raw. So here we go. 1 and do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and here we go. 5, 6, this way. 8, 1 and redo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and you're gonna always repeat this part, okay? Moving on to the next. So this next part, this is the part where you get to be very light. Like this part is all you to make it like nasty. So imagine that somebody just pied you on your birthday, right? So you got pie all over your face. So after you do your 1 and you just wipe all that whipped cream off your face, you know what I'm saying? They done got you for your birthday, you ain't too happy about it. Are we still recording? Let me see. We are still recording. So we're gonna put 1 and 2 together, right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. You can either do it with this side of your hand or this side of your hand. It don't matter. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So the 2 is going to have a little bit of a drag. It's going to be very exaggerated. So this is, like I said, this is the point for you to be It's time for you to get you know what I'm saying? You got to get into it. So really imagine that you got some stuff on your face. You know what I'm saying? Get it off your face. Please don't make any dirty jokes. We're not here for that, all right? So we're gonna go into that next step on 3, okay? So 3, what I want you to do, you're finishing up 2. That's slow wipe. You're gonna throw it down to the ground, and then you're gonna do a heel-toe motion. I don't know if y'all can see that. Here we go. Heel-toe motion. Heel-toe motion. Notice, whichever way you're gonna turn, that back leg, whichever way you are, you're gonna be on the toe. That front leg, they're gonna be on the heel, okay? Here, you see? On my toe, on the heel, back, okay? Right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 3. Repeat. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Now we're gonna put this together, all right? From the very top, I'm gonna count down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3. Okay? So it should be a pivoting motion. It should be very comfortable, okay? And if you do it quick enough, you won't have to worry about balancing. That's the key. So if I'm trying to hold it, oh shoot, I'm losing my balance, oh snap. But if you do it really, really quick, right? Boom, come back. boom, come back. See how easy that is? Here, boom, come back. So, one more time, and then we're gonna move on, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and good. 2, 3. So coming back from 3, I'm gonna groove again, like in the beginning, how we grooved into that chest hit. Here, I kind of want you to do the same thing with the toe and heel motion. But as you're coming back, do it again. From bend your knees, on the bent knees, come up, bring that left knee. This is my left knee, pay attention. 3, pivot, and then you're gonna groove the way up. Here, your hands should be that stopping point for that knee coming up. Boom. It's supposed to be like a hit. Supposed to hit. And that's a visual that you want to go for, right? So, the practices say you don't got to be that sharp. You know what I'm saying? Because those who already have experience are probably going to go bang. You know what I'm saying? It's going to look like you got hit by a car or you hit a brick wall. Bang. Here. Bang. Here. Bang. Here. So, no focus on the hit or the sharpness. Just go ahead and give it that motion. So from here, heel toe, you come back, move into it, here. Now, after you free, I want you to hold that position when it comes up. When you bring that knee up, I want you to hold it here, all right? Because the extra weight that's gonna be put in front of your hips from that left knee going up is gonna drag you, right? So hold it here. It should pull you forward. That's the point. So not right now, we just going with the flow. So I'm here, back, groove up, boom. Now you're just like, oh shoot, I'm getting pulled forward. Heel, right there. Land that heel, roll it into the toe. I'm gonna back up some, I don't know if you can see it. Boom. Roll into the heel, into the toe. From here, you're gonna pivot. Right now, we're showing that we have control in our direction with our feet, footwork, body control. We doing it again. Here we go. So from here, bam, heel into the toe, pivot. All right. Once you get that, go ahead. I want you to do like a buck hop. You know what I'm saying? So the way I do it into this transition, because I know you saw it, we went here. I'm gonna show you how I did that. So heel into the toe, pivot. When you do this buck hop, bring this leg higher than this leg. Boom. Right? So, start it off here. Going to the pivot. Now we're going to go right back here. I want you to bring us around town. Bring us around town. Once it comes around town, it's going to bump this leg. Here. That's where that stomp comes in. So that was slow motion. I'm going to show you how it should look. So here we go. Boom. Stuck, pivot, up, round, boom. Like that, okay? Whew. This is a workout, man. Are we still recording? All right. Getting a little bit more loose with it. I want you to be loose with it, so don't be tight. I don't want you to hurt nothing, okay? Just be comfortable. Be loose with it a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1. All right, we're gonna do it again with music this time. So, if you need help, rewind it. You know I'm very detailed. I talk a lot if you haven't noticed. So go ahead and rewind if you need to buff out some of those parts. Well, we about to go ahead and get it ready. About to get it popping.
Banger. I'll waste no time to give it to you.
Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Boom! As you can see, I broke the music, okay? You can do this on any part, on any 8 count, it doesn't matter. It don't gotta be from this. 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Boom! See? Once you get more comfortable, then you can put more little into it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. shoot. I'll see y'all next time in the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I really put an emphasis on hitting that like button, because we hit that like button, you're gonna see this even more. That's what it does. Without further ado, it's your boy Backfire 313, also known as Backfire Media, and we out of here.